Maybe I'll don't panic and eat some food or do computer first. Look everywhere and watching you all the time. Maybe I'll eat some food for that can relax me. There's no more food. Wait, what is this? No fun, no glory, or no this case, or no life. This is tripping me out. It's night, and I panic when it's night, when all of this music and sticky notes. This is just freaking me out. Okay, I'm so scared. Maybe I'll check around here if there's no guy. Seems all clear. Seems all clear. Let's go to the office. What is that? Another sticky note? Maybe it's my brothers that are playing again. Why will you try to escape? I just want to play again. Let's hope that somebody's coming, like my brother. What happened, Mom? Leland, good that you're here.
God, it's been the scariest night. Okay, what happened?
There's some scary notes.
What color are they?
Purple.
Purple? How much? Wait, how much were they?
4. What does that mean?
I'm kind of scared, you know,
Why?
because they're supposed to be 5, if that's the case.
Why? 5? Why?
It's okay. Yeah. The thing is that before the Dark Ages, well, 1950, there was a man named, and I don't know his name. I haven't been into the history yet, but legend has it that there was once a man living with his family, and one day that man lost his family. I think the family died, but the man went and lived in a little home, abandoned and scary. He was listening to ghosts talk. He thought it was his family, so he went and killed himself. After that, the ghost seeked and started putting 5 paper notes. But we just don't know what it is. We cannot find it.
Wait, what does that mean if there's 4?
The 5th one is around here.
Well, what does that mean if there's like 4 of them?
Then he just leaves you alone. Let's hope that we don't find the 5th.
What happens if we find a 5th?
Then he's gonna stay here for 2 years. Right now is year number 1.
Oh, I gotta go. Bed.
Hello guys, this is Victoria here, and I hope that you got scared with my scary sticky notes. Well, that music was freaking me out. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna sleep, but comment down below and actually subscribe and comment what was your favorite part of this sticky